Yeah. Hi, Ayush.
Hi, Raghu. Yeah, how
So
are you?
thank you for joining. First of all, congratulations. I would like to tell everyone that Ayush was a student of our DSA course, and he has successfully transitioned to a company called Yuzio. So it's like without wasting anyone's time. So I would like you only to tell about your experience and all, about how did you get the core, how did you get to know about the course and all, and how was your journey with the GetSD and all. So
Okay. So yeah, thanks, Raghu. Thanks for having me. So yeah, I found this course via Instagram ad, and I just joined the course, and I found this course very helpful. The content was very structured way, and the mentors were very good. The doubt support, the doubt sessions, all was very good, and my overall experience is very good with the Get SD Ready. Yeah, thank you.
cool. Cool. And yeah, so आप क्या मतलब लोगों को बता सकते हो कि आपका हाइक कितना था? मतलब आपका पिछली कंपनी कौन सी थी? कितने हाइक पे आप इस करंट कंपनी में आए? कितने ऑफर्स थे आपके पास?
Sure. So I was in Wipro and I got a hike of 285%. Yeah. And I switched to a product-based company. It's a US-based startup called Yuzio. So I switched to that. I got offers from Accenture, LTI, and this. So three offers I got. And
Oh,
I
nice.
joined this. Yeah.
Great, great. And like, would you like to tell us about the interview experience and all? It's like, how was the questions and all? What was the format? How many rounds were there? So yeah.
Sure. So there were total four rounds, two technical, one techno managerial, and one HR. So in three rounds, I was asked DSA only, like DSA questions I was asked. So in first round, I was asked the questions from priority queue and stack question also I was asked, and then Java and Spring Boot. So these questions I was asked, and then the second round also I was asked DSA question, two DSA questions from a linked list and dynamic programming. Then I was asked some pseudo codes he has given, and I was I have to give the what are the security, like how to like how can you improve the security of the system, or like what are the loopholes in this code. So these kind of questions were there. And third round also, that was techno managerial round was there, but the DSA question, like he was asking like merge sort, or like to optimize, like merging the linked list, optimizing. So these kind of questions I was asked. And and like last was HR round. So this was my experience, interview experience.
Got it. uh, मतलब आपने इतने सारे इंटरव्यूज दिए, आपको क्या लगा कि जो डीएसए के क्वेश्चंस थे और जो गेट एसडी के पोर्टल पे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, क्या क्या लगा, कितना परसेंटेज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस सिमिलर ही थे, सेम ही थे, या फिर सब बाहर से थे, या कितना सिमिलर था?
ओके, सो एक चीज बताऊं तो लाइक इन द लास्ट राउंड, ओके लास्ट राउंड ना, लाइक सेकंड राउंड, द सेकंड टेक्निकल राउंड. सो आई वाज आस्क्ड अ क्वेश्चन जिसको मैंने एक दिन पहले ही, लाइक शुभम वाज द मेंटर, तो उन्होंने समझाया था. सो इट वाज वेरी गुड हेल्पफुल फॉर मी टू, लाइक मैं क्विकली समझ गया क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा सा ट्विक करके ही था, बट आई गॉट दिस क्वेश्चन एंड जस्ट क्विकली सॉल्व कर दिया. सो इंटरव्यू वाज आल्सो वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड. So yeah, very helpful for me. Actually, I took the course because like I was very indisciplined in DSA, so I took that course. That's why I took that course. Previously, also I took that some like course. The value was very high, like 32,000 was the value. So but in 3-4 months I was not able to focus more. So I checked this course and I joined this course. But I found this but the doubt support I was getting here was very good, like was good than the previous course also. So yeah, that was a very good thing. And the mentors were very good. I especially want to thank Shubham. He was our mentor, like very, like he explains very good, like a butter, you can say. And for doubt sessions, Nitin was there. So like for alternate days. And especially I want to thank Alok for the doubt support. Like he solves my doubt anytime, like in the night also, like whenever I'm asking, he was ready there for me. So yeah, it was very good experience. And for resume making, Arun Sir, like specially helped me, like to craft my resume. So yeah, it was very good like experience for me with GetSDReady. Yeah.
Great, great, great. So, okay. And how long did it take for you to see the results? Say, for example, I mean, you were having some problem in some of the topics and all, but after the course,
Mhm.
you were able to it's like solve those problems and all. So, it's like how much was the difference? How many
Okay.
days or months? Yeah.
Okay, understood. So, yeah, I was having the difficulty in some questions like some topics like recursion and dynamic programming also. So yeah, after and also the time bound, like I was not able to solve the questions in a limited time of like the lead code contest and all. So I was not able to solve in a timely manner. So after this, now after the course also, it took me 6 months overall from the starting of the course to the 6 months of period. I have like I have gained that much confidence. I was able to solve the lead code questions within a time frame, and recursion questions also. I was very confident in the DP part, especially like the famous problems, like everything. I was very till the from the brute force approach to the optimized approach, all the approaches I was very confident. And the Shubham like explained very well all the topics to me, all the approaches which can like more than one approaches to solve a particular problem or think. Some problems I did earlier also with optimized approach, but Shubham amazes me with different techniques also to solve the problems. And with his like my analytical thinking also improved with this. In my interview also, they have asked me puzzles also in first and second round both. So yeah, I was able to solve those puzzles also. So yeah, that is like very good for me. It help improve my analytical thinking. Yeah, thank you.
ठीक है. और कोई फीडबैक देना चाहोगे? अच्छा हो या बुरा हो, कुछ भी. Get
Okay,
it.
so yeah, overall my feedback is very good with GetSDReady, cause I was able to transition to a product-based company, which a long period, like I was preparing from December 2022. So it took me around 1.5 years actually to make a switch. Actually, I was from electrical, so I switched.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
I don't know from like I don't know anything about software engineering at all. So I switched from like then support role, then I switched to a development or proper development. Then I'm
Wow.
currently doing now. So yeah, it was a very long journey with many ups and downs, and GetSDReady supports me. And yeah, like I had a trust. Like after 2 months or 2 3 months now, I have a, very good trust in myself that I can do very well in DSA also. And now, one more thing I want to say, like I have completed almost 90% of the live classes. So live classes were very helpful for me to maintain a discipline, which I was not able to help. And the content, structured content was there. So that also helped me. And the questions were also crafted like there were the questions were like they are like most asked question. And the if you'll complete the topic, then you will almost you are capable of solving any a question like a new question coming up with those concepts. So that was a very good thing about the questions also. And the questions and the topics which were covered, yeah, in the course.
Great, great, great. So at last, it's like one thing I would like to
Okay.
ask is like, how likely are you to recommend this course to your friends and all? Say you can
uh,
rate also.
Sure, sure. So yeah, actually, I have recommended few of my friends like already,
Oh,
which
nice.
which are struggling to get a job right now. And so I directly recommended because they were all like they were also like people struggling to maintain a discipline. Like for me, it was like that only. So I recommended them the course, and they joined also. So yeah, and I will recommend this course because the quality you are getting with the this much price now. Like I know the that like I know this thing, so that's why the quality is very good and the price is also very good. So that's why I'm recommending whoever is there. So yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. Great. So thank you, Ayush, and yeah, all the best for the future.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Raghu, for having me. It was nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.